अनुदानित मागण्यांचे बुकलेट जायते वेळार दिवचे परस ते पयलींच दियात अशी मागणी अधिवेशना वेळार विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमावान केली। ती जर पयलींच मेळत जाल्यार आमकां ताचेर अभ्यास करून येवपाक मेळटलें। ही प्रथा मातशी बदलची अशी मागणी युरीन ह्या वेळार केली।
22-23 वर्साच्या अनुदानाच्या पुरवणी मागण्याचे सादरीकरण पासाभास आणि मतदान दुसरी बॅच 2022-23 वर्साच्यो अनुदानित मागण्यो पुरवणी मागण्यो दुसरो बॅच मुख्यमंत्री सीएम
Sir, on the recommendation of the Governor, I present the supplementary demand for the grant for the year 2022-23 second batch.
आता आम्ही 2022-23 वर्साचो अनुदान
Because I know it is a custom for you all to give this supplementary grants booklet at the last minute, but it's because I feel that this has to change. I know it is a custom, but it's because आमकां हांगा शिंकोन कितें मांडपाक जाय. A last minute आमकां हें दिता. I know over the years you all have done it, and this needs to change. It's because this system needs to change. आमी हिंगा शिंकोन कितें उलोवपा येले. Last minute supply question you kindly act.
Yes.
हे जे कस्टम अशें न्ही स्पीकर सर. प्लेस करता तेन्ना इट हॅज टू बी गिवन जशें बिल जे नॉर्मली तुम्ही दिता.
You place it a little before, no? Last just you can do it. Why if you can curtail the assembly session and do all these things, why not this?
No, that issue is not about that. See, issue is when the supplementary demands are placed before the house, that is the time the booklet is placed.
Yes. आता आम्ही 2022-23 वर्साच्यो अनुदानित पुरवणी मागण्यो घेऊया।
वाचपाक दी म्हणटा तो
म्हणटा वाचपाक आपल्याक चान्स दिवचो। सो इन अ वे ही इज नॉट रॉंग। प्रॅक्टीस जर आसा जाल्यार प्रॅक्टीस चेंज कर। यू आर गुड एट सस्पेंडिंग लॉज. व्हॉट इज सेइंग इज राइट. Suspend the law and give
Speaker sir, it is a suspension of rules, not laws. I want to tell him.
because this is a matter of procedure. It is a procedure which can be adopted by the House through a resolution which is unanimous.
He didn't say that.